champions in real estate. Our episode for today is how to use Google Earth in finding the specific location of the property for your prospect buyer. Buyers want to know the exact location, and you need Google Earth in order to help them visualize the actual location and the vicinity surrounding the specific property. There are many uses of Google Earth, but in this episode, we will just focus on the use of Google Earth for finding the specific location of the property. Okay? So let's go to my computer screen. Okay, so let's now go to my computer screen so I can demonstrate to you how to use Google Earth. First, you have to visit the website and you need to type Google Earth. Okay, search for Google Earth. And it will show the map all over the world. So we call that Google Earth. And then you need to search the specific location of the property that you want to take a look. So what you can do is to click this icon, a search icon, and you can type, for example, Pitos, Cebu City. Since I have already typed a while ago, Pitos, Cebu City, then it appears here. All right, so it will show the specific location in Pitos. See? As you can see here, this is Pitos, as shown by Google Earth. All right, so automatically it will bring you to the location where you typed your location on the search bar. All right, so I'll erase this, and I will have to use my mouse to zoom in and zoom out. The roller of my mouse can be used to zoom in like this. And I'll also roll reverse in order to zoom out. Okay, zoom in, zoom out. Left click so that the hand will appear. Okay, this is important because you can control the map as if you are holding the map in your hands. Okay, just like that. Now, if you have a physical map, you can compare the shape of the subdivisions that you can see in Google Earth. And from there, you will be able to identify the exact location of the property. For example, we will have to zoom out so that we can see exactly the location of the unit. This is the house, for example, this one. Okay? Assuming this is the house. And of course, by the location and the size as well as the shape of the vicinity of this location, you will be able to identify that this is the lot or the house that you want to show to him. Okay, so let's erase this. And in what way that you can send to him this information? It's only you who can see it for the moment. What you can do is to use screenshot. In my keyboard, for example, I use Alt and print screen. So I click Alt, print screen together, and then I will open a PowerPoint. Okay, I'll open a PowerPoint and choose blank presentation. I'll click this out, delete, double click and delete. And then paste. Since I have already clicked print screen, I will have to paste it by pressing Control V in my keyboard. Okay, so this is it. This is the house, for example. So the next thing to do is to insert an arrow. Insert, shape, and then click this arrow. And you have to drag the arrow in such a way that it points the specific house that you want to show to him. Okay? But I think you need to click home and click this shape outline, and then the weight will have to be bigger. So make it maybe yellow to make it clearer. Okay? So this is now pointing the specific house that you want to show to him. Okay, click insert for the text box. All right, so this is the text box, and then this is the house in Pitos. Maybe you have to indicate the specific block number and lot number, etc. So I just have to write this as it is. Okay? I'll click, change it into white or perhaps yellow also, same as yellow. And maybe bigger font and bold. Okay? So this is the house in Pitos, Cebu. Okay? And I will have to click this for the and then perhaps yellow. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this is the house in Pitos, Cebu City. So what's the next step? The next step is to save as PowerPoint presentation. Google Earth. Pitos. Okay. And I will also have to save in JPEG form. Okay. Google Earth, Pitos, and then take this and choose JPEG. Google Earth, Pitos, never mind the spelling. Okay, save. All right. So I have two files, the PowerPoint presentation file as well as the JPEG file. What is the purpose of the PowerPoint presentation file? So that if there will be changes, it's easy for you to make changes by just using the PowerPoint file. And the JPEG file is one that you will have to send to your prospect buyer. We will find out where is that file that you can send to your prospect buyer by email or through Messenger. And this is the one, the document file or folder. Where is it? This is the one, right? Okay, so this is the specific file that you are going to send to your prospect buyer by email or through Messenger. Okay? So there you have it. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless everyone.